I'm Isabelle Guillaume. I'm the CEO of MINALOGIC. MINALOGIC is the global innovation cluster based here in the Rhône-Alpes, Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes region. And we are focusing on digital technologies. It's really great to be here, and obviously, as last year, we feel a lot of energy from coming from the startups. What I appreciate this year is it's even more international. It's also very interesting to see the diversity of nationalities. In my team of startups that we are mentoring, we have a Korean startup coming from Korea. We have one coming from Tunisia, and the other two are French startups. So it's really great, and also it's great for us, obviously, as mentors, but it's also great for the startups themselves, because they can have a feeling for different cultural and ways of behavior from the CEOs coming from those nationalities, and this is really a great achievement for this second edition. My expectation here for being in BigBooster, obviously, is I'm here to help. This is basically the reason why we invest and we give 3 days of our time to be able to mentor the startups. So what I want here is to make sure that I do my best to provide relevant feedbacks to the startups. The main challenge being that you take the startups where they are, and obviously they are not at all in the same status. Some of them are already very advanced in terms of the way they present themselves. Some others are just starting, and our role basically is again to take them where they are and do our best to bring them to a next level, whatever it is, depending on their own maturity. The key advice that we can give to startups that are attending this wonderful 3-day session, it's really about the American would say just behave like quote, shut up and listen. I mean, this is really I think what they can. The way for them to get the best out of these 3 days is to be in the listening mode. It's difficult because when you are an entrepreneur, you trust, you are confident on your idea and you want to sell it, and it's great. But here, during these 3 days, shut up and listen. And usually, I would say that this is exactly the way that they are entering in this session. They understand that they are going to get a lot of feedbacks. Obviously, they will have to make their own choice, because all the feedbacks are not going to be relevant for them. It's their decision, but they need to be in an open and listening mode.